Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be solving another easy level problem that is find the town judge. Question state that in a town there are n people from 1 to n, and there is a rumor that one of the people in the town is secretly a town judge. So what are the conditions of a town judge? First, town judge trusts nobody. Everybody. Second is everybody trusts the town judge except the town judge himself. And third is there is only one person that satisfies both the above properties. So we are given an trust array where A is the person trusting the person with label B. That is, AB is given, so person labeled A trusts the person labeled B. Now we need to return the town judge if exists, or if there is no town judge in the array, then we simply return -1. So now let's look at the test cases to understand the question better. Input is 2 and trust array is 1, 1 comma 2. So it means 1 trust 2. So as there is no other array element, so we simply return 2 as 2 doesn't trust 1. Now, second example, 1 trust 3 and 2 trust 3, but 3 doesn't trust 1, so basically 3 is the town judge as it satisfies both the conditions, all the three conditions. Third is 1 trust 3, 2 also trust 3, but 3 also trust 1. So basically there is a loop, and there is no person whom everybody is trusting. So uh, there is no town judge, and we simply return -1. Now, to understand this question better in a visual manner, let's come to the board. So this is our third test case. Let's The approach behind this question is directed graph. So we see it as graph question. One trust three, and three also trust one, and two trust three. So there is no unique element which is trusted by all the elements. So we simply return -1. Second test case is one trust three and two also trust three, but there is no out degree from three. So basically, three is the town judge. And in the first test case, as there is only one a vector element, one trust two. So two doesn't trust one. So basically, we return two as our answer as a town judge. So now let's look at how do we solve the question. So first we take two vectors as stated, that is it is a directed graph. So we take two vectors, one is in degree and second is out degree. Now we check if the trust vector is empty and n equals to 1, then we simply return 1. Now after covering our corner case, we start for inputting our elements into our in degree and out degree vector. So we take a loop and input all the out degree elements of 0th index and input all the in degree elements in 1th index. After that, we check from 0 to n that if out degree equals to 0. Why 0? Because it is said that everybody trusts the town judge, but town judge doesn't trust anybody except the town judge. So out degree should be 0. There should be town judge should not trust anybody. So out degree should be 0 and in degree equals to n minus 1. Why so? Let's take it as an example. If there are n people in the town, then there is only one town judge. So a town judge doesn't trust anybody. So it will be n minus 1. So we take in degree as n minus 1. And if both the condition matches, that is everybody is trusting town judge and town judge is trusting nobody, then we simply return the ith index, that is the vector elements which are town judge, as stated here, the return the label of town judge if town judge exists. So we simply return the town judge. If none of the conditions satisfies, then we run out of the loop and we return -1. So this is how we solve the question. Now let's check this code. So yeah, it is accepted, and this is the approach for the question. Hope you liked it, and see you in the next video.